You can enter up to 2 independent voices per staff, but you can only edit 1 at a time. Use the Voices control to switch between which voice you wish to work with. The display of any notes you have already entered into your score are governed by 2 settings. 1. By which voice is active, and 2. The Show an Active Voice section of the Score Settings menu. If you have Show in Active Voice set to full, then both voices appear normally. If you have it set to dimmed, then the inactive voice is dimmed. Finally, if you have Show in Active Voice set to hidden, then only the active voice will appear in your score. In addition, the degree of dimming can be set in the Action menu, Advanced Settings, Voices, and Active Voice Dim %. Observe that rests can be dragged up or down when in the presence of a second voice. Otherwise they take a fixed position.